What's going on, crypto enthusiasts and crypto beginners? I'm Hussein the Brain, and today I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency with no fees. If it's your first time on this channel and you're into cryptocurrency, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything. We all hate fees, and these little fees, sometimes big fees if you're using Bitcoin and whatnot, add up. We all get started with Coinbase. I have Coinbase. I like it. It's super easy to use. It's ideal for beginners, and it's basically the best place, at least your first time, if you want to buy something like Bitcoin or Ether or one of the big coins with the US dollar. Coinbase is the place to be. I made a video about getting started with Coinbase, so if you don't have a Coinbase account, you can watch that video. There's a card here someplace. You can watch it, also link in the description. So watch that video. Make sure you get started on Coinbase. So right now we're on Coinbase. You want to create an account. Assuming you already have an account, what's awesome about this is once you have a Coinbase account, they're the same company, GDAX is, you will also have a GDAX account. It's going to be the same exact login. So if you have a Coinbase, you already have a GDAX, you don't have to do anything extra. Like, I already connected my bank account to my Coinbase account. I didn't need to even connect that bank account again on GDAX. All my information was there. Everything's there. So you have a Coinbase account. Now let's go to GDAX, GDAX.com. Log in. What's cool about this is if you have US dollars, Bitcoin, whatever in your Coinbase account, you can instantly and with zero fees transfer that to your GDAX account seamlessly. All you got to do is go to accounts. Then on the left side, this is the receive button. This is the send button. You just have to receive. So let's say we want to send some Bitcoin from Coinbase to GDAX. All you got to do is click that down button and deposit funds. So from my wallet, this is how much Bitcoin I have. You enter the amount, super easy. Let's just say 0.1. Click deposit, boom, it's done. You have Bitcoin now in your GDAX account. Let's click TradeView. This is really the main page on the GDAX website. And this looks very complicated. When I first started getting into crypto, and if you're not familiar with stocks, this looks a little crazy, a little intimidating. But after you do this for, I'd say about half a day, maybe 2 days, around that time, it's gonna be super easy, guys. You're gonna get used to it. It's gonna be like, wow, this is exactly what I wanted. Let's use Bitcoin as an example. Let's buy Bitcoin without any fees. This is pretty crazy how these fees add up, especially with Bitcoin. So we go over here to the top left, we select Bitcoin from US dollars, and actually the first thing you want to do is you need US dollars in your account, so you're gonna have to transfer money into your My Wallet. So whether that be on Coinbase, like you already may have had it in Coinbase, you can transfer it easily, but you do need to have US dollars in this account. Now on GDAX, you cannot do this with a credit card, but that's not really a big deal. If you absolutely need US dollars today because the bank account transfers take a little longer, then you could do it on Coinbase and then transfer it here, but there's a lot of fees. If you've watched the other videos, there's a lot of fees when you use credit card. Anyway, I recommend transferring money with your bank. Just be patient, it'll get there. And chances are if you're already on Coinbase, which most of you probably already are, you have money in that USD wallet. All you gotta do is transfer that and make sure it's on your GDAX account. So right here where it says market, this is the main part, all right? We wanna switch that to limit. So basically market is whatever it's selling for, whatever it's going for, that's the price you're going to get it at. What we want is to click limit. Now this is how we avoid fees. This is what I always use. I mean, I like zero fees. And if you're doing this daily or even weekly or anytime, like you don't want to pay for fees, they're going to add up. It's going to be crazy. So let's see the price that Bitcoin is going for. This is it right here. So it's going for about 13,245 USD. All right, guys, let's buy some Bitcoin with zero fees. Right now, I have only $19 in my USD wallet. That's not a lot, I know, haha, but it's good enough for this video though. All right, so where it says market, we want to make sure we select limit. Then let's take note of how much Bitcoin is going for. So it's going for approximately 13,278 US dollars. That's for one Bitcoin. what we want to do for this example, for this video, let's buy 0.001 Bitcoin. And we're going to say that, hey, once this price drops to $13,100, we'll buy 0.001 Bitcoin. So we're going to spend exactly $13.10 to buy this much Bitcoin. And then we place that order. You won't get it right away. So we can go to sleep, and let's say Bitcoin reaches 13,101. I wake up, we still won't get it. But let's say Bitcoin reaches 13,100 or below that, you will automatically get Bitcoin. It'll be in our account and it'll be zero. Look right here, it says 0 fees. So that's how you purchase Bitcoin. If I wanted to get it sooner, I can make this number here. When I put in the limit price, I could have made it much closer, like 13,270, for example, or I could have made it 75, got it even sooner, got it right away, basically. But I recommend that you go a little bit under and don't be in such a rush to get it. Depends on the situation. Sometimes you want it right away. Sometimes you can wait a little bit. GDAX and Coinbase, same company. So for now, there's only 4 coins: Bitcoin, Bitcash, Ether, Litecoin. They might be adding more coins soon, but if you want to invest in some more altcoins, you're going to have to get a Binance account. I mentioned that on some other videos if you check those out. So we're going to go back to our account at the top right. This is how many coins we have in our GDAX account, and then we're going to send it to our Binance account. So we're going to go to Binance, go to deposits and withdrawals. Once you have a Binance account, this is super simple. Then let's say we're doing Bitcoin. You want to hit deposit under Bitcoin. Make sure you copy this wallet address exactly. Go back to GDAX. Then send the Bitcoin there. We're transferring it. You know, type this in, the destination. Make sure it matches. You guys always double check like the first 2 and last 2 digits. So 1ANX, okay, that matches. Okay, that matches, good. And then we want to send the amount. Let's say we want to send 0.01. Fill this out, withdraw funds, boom. Then it should be in your Binance account fairly quick. Now, there's no way to really avoid fees on Binance. If you're going to exchange, let's say, Ether or Bitcoin into Ripple, there's going to be fees on all these exchanges when you get your altcoins. Those are not avoidable, but we are avoiding some of the initial fees, some of those big fees that a lot of people don't know about. And the more we save, the more we have to invest in other cryptocurrencies. Let me know, guys, if you have any questions. Leave a comment below. Leave a thumbs up if this video was helpful. The thumbs down if it wasn't. That's fine with me. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.